Polls.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. And we thank you for being here, Barnaby.
This is the brief on persuading mom-and-pop sellers on seller carry financing. Okay, so when you're trying to buy a mobile home park, just hitting longtime owners with financial arguments for seller carry, where they act like the bank, well, it often falls flat. You gotta understand it's about tapping into their psychology, tackling their fears, their pride, and what they want to leave behind. First, you gotta use loss aversion. Flip the script and frame the all-cash sale as the real risk. Nobody likes losing, right? So you highlight that big, immediate hit. Uncle Sam swooping in to grab 30, even 40% in taxes, up front. Position seller carry as the safer bet, letting their money keep working for them. Keep it simple, like, hey, think of it like getting monthly checks, kind of like a pension, but with zero toilets to worry about. Second, really lean into their sense of legacy and identity. These owners, they poured years into this place. You gotta honor that. Tell them they're not just landlords anymore, they're graduating to banker. And crucially, stress that seller carry gives them the reins. They get to choose the buyer, ensure the park's future. Basically, they curate the handover. Finally, tackle that risk head-on by showing them the safety net. They worried about default? Remind them, they hold the lien. If things go south, they keep the down payment, all the monthly checks, and they get the park back, often improved. Make it clear they're acting like a bank, which feels structured and safe. And that safe cash offer? Point out the new headaches. Managing a huge chunk of cash, inflation worries, finding where to reinvest. Look, effective persuasion here isn't just math. It's about shifting the conversation to trust, control, and really valuing the seller's wisdom.